Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem Robux in Microsoft Rewards. Alright, so let's begin. First, go to the Microsoft Rewards website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your total points. From here, simply click on the redeem option to explore all the rewards available to you. As you scroll through, you'll notice a variety of options. These can include Microsoft gift cards, Xbox credit, movies, games, subscriptions, and other digital services. Depending on your region, you might also see rewards like Uber, Spotify, Netflix, or even the option to donate your points to charity organizations. Now, at the top, you'll see the Roblox digital card. If you click on it, you'll notice options like getting 800 Robux or 1000 Robux, but it requires around 13,000 points. So if you have enough points, you can simply click on redeem now and you'll receive a Roblox digital card that gives you those Robux. One important thing to keep in mind is that Microsoft doesn't always offer Robux in its rewards system. It usually appears occasionally, sometimes after a week or at certain time intervals, so this option won't always be available. But if you're lucky enough, like in this case where it's currently visible, you can grab the Robux reward as long as you have enough points to redeem it. And that's it. This is how you can redeem Robux in Microsoft Rewards. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.